Ron came in and took a look at my operation and identified from the start what it was that we were doing, what were the very basic pieces, what were our communication skills, what were our statistics, to see if we had those in place. It wasn't so much about the technical nature of our business, but really the technical pieces of operating any business. I think by being more organized, we were able to certainly increase our revenue streams, but be more efficient with each revenue stream also. We found money that was left on the table, always. I tend to look at things from a lost opportunity cost. Like, what could we have had if we were doing it right? That's what IET brought in, that's what Ron brought in, was to identify those areas where we were leaving money on the table, which made us more efficient, which essentially then brought us more business on top of that. It just becomes an exponential growth. They created for me an organizational board where everybody had their job duties, and it was clearly laid out who was supposed to do what. So we didn't have duplication, and so everyone was accountable for each part of their operation. In my line of work, I run into a number of clients who have hired outside consultants. And the interesting part about those consultants is when they come in, they say, we can do from A to F. But it seems as though every time they interview the client, they start at C. And so when they come in, they do C, D, E, and F. But unfortunately, A and B were never in place. And to the client that I have seen using other consultants, they've always started at the wrong place. And they didn't start at the beginning getting the basics in place, which then would allow you to move forward. And they spent tens of thousands of dollars for other consultants. And they never got the results they wanted because they never started in the right place. So when working with IET, they really start at the right point in the business cycle and where your business is located. Okay? And so they're not starting assuming that you're farther ahead than you really are, but going back and make sure that all the basics are in place. And then when those are in place, everybody moves forward much faster. And then you achieve much more of what you're looking for. Ultimately, working with IET has been great for me over all these years. But the real core of it is, as always, working with the individuals. And the CEO, Ron Walker, he's just that type of person that you want to work with, that helps you, that you know totally cares about the success of your company.